They're gonna start up, you know, the local Friday and start the shrimps. When mama come back,
yeah. That's really pretty.
Yeah. Beverly, we're gonna have bad dog, hot dog, nuggets, fries, burger meat next week. But you don't know if you look at Friday, Saturday, look at hustling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're in a good life. Introduce yourself to the Jamaica good life.
Well, I'm pretty, aka right name Kenisha. Don't know born and brought Seaview. If I put more out.
She say a lie at him.
Now look back, she in a trouble.
Well, tell him I get a Seaview born and grow.
Yeah, originate from you know.
I know you live in Portmore.
Yeah, but you know how we can come to the local hustling. You come to the local fry on Friday, Saturday, yeah. Like the cold stove.
So each and every Friday?
Each and every Friday and Saturday.
So you got any kids?
Yeah, I got two. Two boys at that too.
Yeah?
Yeah, two boys.
What's the age?
One, next one 11.
Yeah.
Pep, you know?
And how old are you?
32 November coming.
32.
Yeah.
Let me see your face if I look 32. People should look 32.
Don't know a good life, no.
A good life. Pretty. Don't worry, man. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it pretty.
Don't know. Don't have to learn light fire.
You have to learn. Can't say anybody used to light in fire. That's like gas stove.
Gas stove, yeah.
So now you have to do your little hustle.
Yeah, for a weekend, you know. Can't work alone and now see 95 pay a JA now work, now cut the dash.
So what you work?
I can do hustling on the side.
So you work as well?
Yeah, but it's not every day.
Like a part-time thing?
Yeah, like Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm gonna go sometimes Friday.
Oh, so this kind of help?
Yo, it help a lot, yo. It's not a little, but a lot. I don't know, you have a Seaview people, you have whatever people come support the thing, yeah.
Yeah. I have to blow it, man, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Fire blazing now.
Yeah, breeze a blow.
So you say you have hot dog?
Bad dog, nuggets.
Hot dog?
Bad dog, nuggets and fries.
Oh, nuggets and fries. Chicken wings?
Next week that man, next week thing that you have to creep before you walk though.
Yeah, true.
That's the thing, yeah.
So next week?
Yeah.
Oh, we have this in the good life, you know. Pretty, I'll kick up a storm. So each and every weekend, you can find her in great tea.
Yeah, need to Seaview Gardens, you know?
Yes, too.
Yeah. Yeah, blaze, you know?
So you try to get the business more bigger than this too?
Yeah, I'm going to change it up and like get the hot dog machine and the deep fryer. Yeah. So hopefully by March, everything up and running. But as you said, you have to creep before you walk. So now go and creep. By March, me I walk.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
I like how you set the goal by March.
Yeah.
You know,
as the March will start tomorrow, so by the middle of the ending of March, supposed to have everything up and running.
So that's one step.
Still I gotta use a gas stove, and maybe I use a coal stove. Maybe balance it. But yeah, then as I say, do the local wings on the side and burger meat. Or local burger.
You don't know kids to feel.
Yeah. Would have to eat, bills have to pay, don't you?
Bills have to pay.
Yeah.
So how is it growing up in Seaview though?
Yo, Yo, but then rough. That's a really rough, but in a minute, yeah, you're boy. There's never a day, but much you know me younger. You know, you see a man did it over the scheme, there a man did over phase 1, but eventually people grow and who pass away and who just live and just can't tell a tale. But me I tell you say back then, see it was nice to live in but back then growing up, you'd have 30 who are done or who are done cheap, but no.
Different.
Everybody a live good. You can walk from the next scheme, go on another scheme, party a keep, take over your gone. But the scheme good right now, man. Seaview,
good.
Anybody can come live. As I say, back then in the 80s, pay war. Eventually, everything good.
Jim. Yeah.
So you have Junior little film for business.
So you have Jim.
Yeah,
computer specialist too as well.
How him there? Look at posters.
Come here, Jim. Are you the computer specialist in a Seaview?
One of them.
One of them?
One out of the lot.
So how much of them in a Seaview? A couple of them?
A couple well.
So introduce yourself, Jim, and make them know.
Yeah, me them call Jim, I'm computer doc.
Computer doc.
You know?
Yeah.
So one way you do for computer?
Repair, service, remove all viruses, upgrade, custom build desktop for all the smokers and all that things.
Yeah, put your going with the smoke.
Yeah, sure. But, you know,
okay.
printing.
You do printing as well?
Yeah, graphics, scanning, fax, all of the things we know, so office needs and stuff.
Right here in Seaview?
Right here in Seaview.
In phase 2.
Yeah.
So if you
We have
want
few
them...
stationaries at the moment now, but we're upgrading on the stationery department. So in a few weeks, the stationery department is going to be up. You know, all the kids can come get them cartridge paper and them pens. So
okay.
and few stuff, you know.
Yeah, so it's on...
It's the future, you know.
Yeah. So it's on the opening right now.
Yeah, man.
Something going.
On the up move, you know.
Right now.
Right.
So pretty, I say, you go print a little thing for you. Wait, the pretty?
Well,
why the kids them tears off, I'm gonna make him laminate it. Yeah, so yeah.
So if you're open for business right now, then for the temporary, then Jim.
yeah, man. Open business,
Every
but you
day,
know.
man, once in there. So.
And if you don't see me, I have a contact number and the bill right there, so you can contact me.
Check it out, yeah.
You can email me, you can call me on the cell number or WhatsApp. So
Yeah.
any which way you figure out if you contact. You can
See me. And most of them know which part where they exactly in a
Right,
phase
exactly.
2.
So
You
they
know,
see
come catch
you
me
as a
when I
name
have a
nitty-gritty, you know?
sack.
Yeah, phase 2. Right on the good life corner.
Right, man. That's a few blocks out from
Not
you
even
know? Good
blue,
life.
just 1 minute away.
Not even a minute.
Right there.
Yeah.
So everybody know pretty, you know. Everybody must know Jim.
Yeah,
So.
everybody. For you know, land of them must know pretty much. But that legend boy here, me are so rested peace, isn't it?
Yeah, that's who, your mom?
Yeah.
She passed away.
Yeah. 11 years now. March, 11 years.
Yeah. So where you grew up with?
Grew with Chia, my father. My auntie them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cousin.
You say, you're gone, doctor.
Yeah, make a move. We have a computer we go fix it.
So you fix it, alright, see there?
Gone for the hustling, though.
So definitely will contact me, Jim, and I contact you for them.
Yeah, man,
And then we'll find you.
the email number, address there, the phone number, the WhatsApp. 3 different ways to send.
We show them what I go on. Show them the number and everything so them can.
Official sign, I got to but a little makeshift sign there, you know, what you call makeshift. See, that's someone, it's kind of pretty like Sunday morning, so. Makeshift sign there for the time being till the official sign ship down.
Temporary.
Yeah, temporary sign that you can get the basic info.
Specialize in computer repair, software, virus removal, see there, hardware, printing, scanning. So you know you can see there, so you can contact Jim. Contact them. The computer doctor.
That's just a makeshift sign for the time being.
For the time
Sign
being.
will come right here, so that's sign.
Alright here son.
If we take off, that's up there.
Okay.
The sign there, yeah?
So definitely I look forward to see the business.
Yeah man, the business is up already, you know, but you know, fully stacked out with the stationaries.
Yeah.
Computer part up already. I know the stationery for the kids them. I know we have to go shopping because them think they kind of technical if you get in Jamaica.
Okay, see there.
So you have to link up the bookstore and get the link with the bookstore if you get them at a retail price.
Yeah. You don't know Randy Pottinger, I make few links for you. Cause you don't know you're a part of the movement. So you don't know the computer them are, whenever you can get a chance and them happen. And you are the specialist CMA for that.
Get them up to date and things, you see me?
Yeah.
Upgraded.
So people, this is Jim. You know, in Seaview where you run the pottage you talk about, the computer doctor. So him, definitely you will see more.
Up and running, you know?
Yeah, go on, I'm not going to hold you up on your business still because you don't know, so you have to go.
If you come back, you know, because we have to make a quick shift. Time is money in Jamaica, you know?
Alright then.
You have to move quick.
Pluck, see it there?
Only for competition there.
See it there? So you have to go up it. Chef Neil at the place.
Yeah, man, just a come off for the work.
Just a come out for the work. Man.
I want to put up my cloth, put on my apron.
Yeah.
I do the work.
Yeah, alright then.
You know, so we get an apprentice now, you see?
They get an apprentice.
Yeah, I teach you with chain.
No, where chef this?
Chef.
Chef Neil is. So,
You want to go,
so
yeah, let's go, block it.
I don't run thing here though, because the chef this.
No, but we have multi-talented.
That's a show where you don't know what the chef is for good life, you know.
Digital cooking we give.
Alright then. So you said Neil, digital cooking.
Yeah, man, the digital cooking we give.
Well, you saw the Chef Neil restaurant up and running too, you know. You see me?
We have it, you know.
Alright, them know you have it, man. That's just time, you know. You see me? Why you think we are promote the thing more? The more we promote it, the more things are going to pop off the right way.
Yeah.
So you know, so we have Chef Neil restaurant. It's a must.
Digital cooking.
Yeah, man. We're going to do this. We have to do this thing. Go on and come. Oh, goodies. I like all know you can't call me yet.
And you can't remember.
Oh, me can't remember. Hmm? What happened?
I'm there, man.
No, you're not there. Mama, what's big fish in my car? Big fish. Say hello. Say young. Say Kino. Come. Say good life.
This is what we got the fried up on the kitchen. Because just pass it to me like better use fried fries.
These are the young.
Fried on the kitchen.
Look. This is the young Kino.
Kino.
The young Kino this. The good life. Alright? Are you go mama now?
Yes.
Alright, go mama. Daddy working.
Daddy working.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ready? Yes. Ready? My phone outside I go. Come here. And you say table prepare now.
Yeah, me I prepare up, you know.
So we're gonna make some juice in the good life. We're gonna make some juice on the day when time pretty. I do the fry. We have juice as well, you know. My job. That one catch up.
On the good life. Do me I beg you.
That one stone underneath him. Put a stone.
Me don't know, you know, me have, hey, come to think of it.
Roger
usually come at me, Roger the chef, but this Roger can't me not go on, Roger won't.
Roger, who are you or are you?
Him who are me?
You say two nuggets are going fry.
Yeah, me I go and fry. Go so.
Oh.
Yeah. Cold stove I do it, you know?
Cold stove for doing.
Yeah.
And the best thing for cook pan, you know, is cold
Yeah,
stove.
best cold stove. I would fire, you know? Yeah.
But people with a cold stove still are the best thing then.
You have a 2 burner, but you just have to go on, you see me?
So they say a 2 burner gas stove at the minute.
You have a knife, I'm a knife, you're fully gone.
See
Push
that?
up a knife, Nick.
Yeah.
Busting throat, Jay. Holy boy, Jay. You see him walk come on the lane, Jay. Go ahead. Watch me and him. Watch me and him.
Pretty colorless are glowing and a good life, so.
Dark throat.
Original.
Natural color, this, yeah?
Natural color.
No bleaching. Who was selling them? When she there? When you tell Neil yesterday, tell her more one.
See what's up?
Yeah, tell her more one. She don't believe us, so I'm going to link her.
I'm going to link her more one right now.
I
No bleaching, pretty color done reaching. In the good life that you're seeking. Hey, realness. How we're preaching. Yo, hear them lyrics there, I told me an artist still.
Don't know, yeah.
Don't know. Catch it, see the good life, yeah?
Nice clean chin company.
Come, stand up, you can't grab the good life. Big up yourself and the good life. Introduce yourself.
No, but introduce yourself, a Kino, nice clean cousin.
Listen now and introduce yourself and the good life.
Nice clean cousin Ray, nice clean daughter Riri, sister, mama, nice clean granddaughter.
Go on. Go on, let them.
Well, when you make a good life, I come out for the country bus from West. I'm tired like what?
From West, saying see the video going up with West.
Yeah, you see the video and such.
Down at West.
Yeah.
Yeah, the West.
At the right time, tune come by the whole of my local sneak snacks, my local
What you mean? See your bag with the money there?
Yeah.
See it here?
Yeah, the duffel bag.
Duffel bag with the money, so you know a pretty business sell off. She don't need 1,000 people tonight.
Sit there, mama, give me nuggets. Don't know? You know the chef.
Yeah.
Man, where you want, Fanny?
Pretty much you sell the chips for?
$50 go. $50 go.
Yeah, $50 price.
Yeah, go.
60 and everything.
Come here, my baby. What you say?
Man, where you want, Fanny?
What you say?
Yeah, man, cold fire do it, you know? Yeah, after I finish deal with Giselle, I deal with you. See the Kino order start coming already. Yes, I'm not do it because I don't know the baby kind of feel help on me, but today, people them all cussed me up yesterday. But they don't know them have to understand the see a child have to come first.
Yeah.
Now see a business not come first, it's my child sick, yeah. But today I'm up and running, you know? Yeah, man.
Yo, somebody go look for Roger now. Need Roger.
I look at black crust on never far with
Pretty
me.
family. The next one was a help. Yeah, that was not a good life. Sample man. Normally in there.
No, I'm not coming here, Kino.
Or too early.
Yeah, too early for Roger. Roger always a nice old something. I think for them young should be
Hey, tap your knife. See your face. Oh, $50 price too.
Come on. Yeah, that push normal like it.
Yeah.
With mayonnaise alone. Yeah, all of that. Oshman.
So that's $50 price.
Yeah, with 2 nuggets, you know? $30 nuggets, $50 fries.
Turtle and nuggets.
Yeah,
So 2
$30
nuggets,
per-
what you want nuggets?
$30 per one, 2 nuggets, $60.
Wow.
Yeah.
And McDonald's they get 6 nuggets for $1.99.
Yeah, this is
And
not
fries.
McDonald's, this is Jamaica.
Mackie D's.
I get to McDonald's.
Yeah, this is the ghetto McDonald's. Right here in Seaview.
And them
Pretty-
bigger than that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nuggets bigger than these. So 2 of these for $60 in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I get 6 of those for $1.99 with fries.
Alright, now.
Yeah, in England. Oh, and I get a fruit shoot, a drink for the kids.
Yeah, go get you back.
So after that show sometime, yeah, so okay. James said she want panic. Catch up on me out.
Kia, come down.
Look one come over there, don't it?
I'm not sure I do that.
I'm sure look one. She did say after that.
Jot, move her hand chin. Rhea Baja, big daughter.
So sweet.
Third daughter. Him a go on too bad. Him a go on bad. You look like Chinese, so. Chinese mama. Good life. At least we have a whole heap of female today. Big up yourself, Junior, and the good life.
Junior, because come look for you, so you must come look for your pregnant.
You have to go in a place harder than the good life. What go on?
In place when it just started, him first by.
Encourage her and say reps. Get up here,
Yeah, the whole shreps.
So you're going to circle back with him harder then. Good life. You have to buy a last because them say you have to buy off everything. You know.
I'm well hungry.
Talk true. How it go? Watch out.
Ready now.
Yeah.
Oh, your bag big so? So if you want to go on. Big order.
Actually, you catch up in the street now.
Straight mayo.
Yeah.
Place on the order before and lose in the order. Come hold no seat on the corner.
Yeah.
Good life.
Man, just look at the small post to put on some mixed rice. Alright. You get a charge? Becky, let me charge her or something now.
Baja.
I see resemblance now.
No see resemblance.
Yeah.
Father and daughter. One a Chinese and one a Japanese.
Yeah.
Crossbreed.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Bad man.
See it there?
Fire.
You see that, Jim?
Yeah, Jim.
Gym production.
Gym production?
Yeah. Customized.
Customized.
Advertise from now, I make them know.
Advertise from everyone.
Yeah, me that do it for a long time.
Yeah.
See there?
Done to order.
So who for one then?
I bring you one now.
Oh, Briggy.
Yeah.
See if I realize.
Bring a fish fry and the area.
See it there? April 24th. See it there?
Right
Production.
front there. David can wash.
Yeah, production up and running. So you say link up gym.
Link up. Do the ticket empty, you know, so see there?
So that's a ticket. See it there?
Ticket them and cut out. While washing. How about the next one there? What do you bring it? How much are them? 50 of them there will be.
So how much you charge for do all that now, Jim?
Well,
How much you charge?
the designer post are 1,500. And depends on the amount where you print. From 50, you get 50 to $1,000. If you want 100, then you want 200.
Yeah. And for the ticket them?
Ticket them, same design.
Same design.
But the cheaper for print. You can ticket them 5 bills.
5 bills.
Ticket them cheap, but ticket them small.
Yeah.
What you say you want?
My water. Mine.
Oh,
Clean the set. Give me the water.
come back and some water, man. Don't take care of the water and for brother.
Yeah, because I say we gym park.
No, park run some water and film.
Oh yeah. Oh, so
We run some fine.
So hold on, come back, come here, go ahead.
No, me go look for you a while ago.
Wait, you get go ahead.
To show him the size of the ticket, don't print the rest of it.
But that's the size of good.
So him see that already?
Yeah, man, I just some water run and over David. And we open some fine, man.
Fake.
Okay.
So customer happy.
Yeah.
Can't complain, but it look good still.
Man, so that's shiny. Oh, that's so shiny.
So we never expect that. Come on,
You think it'll come out done? And the ticket, huh?
Think the water down here.
Like the colors
Have
still.
the link, man.
Think maggot.
Chef fish now.
Fish and chef up something.
Yeah, so finally I catch Briggy. You know that day I come catch you, I do your fry up.
So we just
And you steam up. Because I'm saying my top chef, you know.
So, yeah, so we want to see what we
So I'm going to show him and tap it up with.
can't get them bad design and food and bad, you know? Food and bad too.
So Baja, third child is
well, yeah. You know, third score. Get it clean, you know.
yeah, go on, you know.
A whole heap, you know.
Yeah. How much you gone?
Why? 7 them say, you know.
Say, them say.
What you say?
What you say? Chin, where you know?
What me know?
Yeah.
7 I know about.
You know. Oh. See there. And you have the China one, the Japanese, and the Blackanese, and the Rasta, and the around for them, you know. Rasta, man. And the girl, them sugar.
Well,
Sugar cane.
well.
Can't complain.
Once upon a time.
Can mash up you.
The chef Neil arrived on him CBR.
Chile can't.
Him leaving the big BMW and him up on the CBR.
Good life kitchen.
Good life kitchen.
Yeah.
Chinny, you should have bring, can't believe I come from Westmoreland and bring some of them fish there from down there, from White House.
I left me.
Them girl and walk with luggage, brother.
A choke, I never bring a banana come
And
here.
all of these things.
Yeah.
See them guys that come from here.
Yesterday.
Come a town.
Hey, the man say about not to come at town. But you know say for true, yeah, you never bring up a breadfruit.
No.
Not even an onion. Not even an onion, I never see you bring a scale.
People them not walk with luggage, brother. Them things no space.
Yeah, I say. I like fair country. Not
Breed, you know?
yeah, not even a cane. Ah, so Raja, yeah. I lie. Raja, you know how long we are asking you.
Roger, I'm ready.
Raja, ready. I lie.
Ready, dog. Ready.
Raja, a long time we are waiting for you till the fries them almost done.
You cannot pass it, boy. Rush. You cannot pass. No, there. No.
Raja, the fries them done.
Fries, no.
People, you know what I'm saying? Nothing there for me. Thing done.
Everything done. Okay, you why? What they there too small for you?
Get down.
You ever get the bigger bag?
I'm in the refill them, man. Both bag of them, man. Them hot dog bread.
Right now.
Right now.
Yeah.
So it's right now. Raja is here right now.
A bit for
But
put
I do some hot dog. You know.
Raja, but by the time you go and come back at night, man.
No, man. I know the chef, man. You come back, man.
Yeah, come on, come on.
Hot dog pot. Ready,
Ready.
Raja,
First time.
we are still in a good life.
You're
gone.
Your sweat,
You gone already?
Right now, my friend. I do a thing right now and them two
Rambo.
up there right now. Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
The thing which I look after is for me alone now.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, Raja. See you now. You say you got show and forward back.
Don't ever come call you.
Nobody wait till night.
Alright, you're gonna do the Kino. I do cable hot dog in this and Kino. Hey. I like even after I watch it hot, but it just start. Put in some sausage in this and now. Around how much? Around 5.
5.
5.
This is like one pretty man, so sell out.
Busy.
Busy.
Green bag? Inside. Green bag and black bag you can deal with it. Only two of them on the veranda. At that time. Wow. You see you? One and come back. Ask him a style. Up here. Dash road. We touch me on you.
Prawns are fried.
Prawns are fried. That dog are fried. Everything to chin are fried. Fries are fried.
How many girls?
Kio, Nick Nuggets, you're not come up to the fries. The fries back. Take over now. Yeah, Baj. Yeah, boys.
Well, chef, yes, I will do one next. Right, that's what we're doing next.
Yeah. Here come.
Right on the front line.
One. I'm going to blend now.
Of course, yeah. Catch up. Bring out the blender and blend up something.
Yeah.
Right, that's all. Oh.
Calma, give me. It's a Kio hot dog, yeah?
Yeah.
Kio.
Well,
Well,
Look up straight. Yeah, watch out. For him see there. It's all about the good life, though. You have to enough the good life. Exposure, yeah, less.
I done.
The good life.
Yeah, good life. To catch her again, you know, every weekend I'm going to put up on the good life corner. But I got good life corner, Baja.